Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be doing a popmart haul. I got these 5 things, so let's open them now. Okay, first I'm going to open this Hirono. It's the other one series of Hirono, and these are the ones you can get. I really want this one, this one, yeah, and obviously the secret, and I don't really want this one and this one, but obviously I'll be happy with all of them. This box is so cute. Look, it has like this string, and then you unravel it and open the box. Okay, there's also like a pulley tab. I wonder if the bag is gonna look cute at all, or if it's just gonna be like a normal bag. Oh, okay. I'm excited to see what it is. Here's the bag, cute. And as always, I'm gonna let you guys see before me. What do you think, guys? Is it a good one? Oh my god, he's so cute. It's the Nowhere Safe one. He's so cute, bro. He's like a birthday party or something. He looks like he's at a birthday party. And he has this little box that he sits in. Look how cute this box is. And I love the material this box is made of. Look, listen. Oh, and he just sits in the box. So cute. Okay, next is the Little Peach Riot sleepover ones. All of these are so cute. So I'd honestly be really happy with all of these. So let's see what I get. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys see before me. Is it cute? Oh my god, this one is really cute. It is. Let me see on the card. It is Frankie Morning Coffee. This is really cute. I think her coffee is in the bag. So let me just get that out. This is so stinking cute, guys. Also, this reminded me that I didn't only get 5 things from popmart. I got 6 things. This fell on the floor, so that's why I didn't know that I got it. But it is the Labubu 1 a.m. series. And this one is kind of like a sleepover one, too. Oh, yeah. Here they all are. I hope I get this one, or this one. And let's open it. Okay. Oh, guys, this one is so cute. Look, he has his little slipper on. He's like on the toilet or something. I'm not really sure, but he is so cute. Okay, next I'm gonna open the Crying for Love Crybabies. This is the Valentine's one, and I already opened this one last time I went to popmart, and I didn't film a haul for that one. Sorry. And I got the Stupid Cupid one, but this time I want the Puppy Love one. I want it so bad. It's really cute, and I love that it's like flocked. Okay. Oh, I know what this one is. It is the Cherries one. This one is so cute. I really like this one too. So I'm not too upset that I didn't get the puppy one, because these ones are really, really cute. Okay, next is this Skull Panda one. This one is called The Sound, and I love Skull Pandas. They're so pretty. And these are the ones you can get. I really want to get the Joy. This one's really cute. Or this one. Or I want this one. And obviously the Secret. So let's see. Let's take a moment for the bag. Look how pretty the bag is. And now I'm going to rip into it. Okay, here it is. Oh my god, this is one of the ones I wanted. I don't know if I said that I wanted this one. Oh yeah, I did. The Joy. It is so pretty. I love the colors of it. And yeah, this is so pretty. Okay, last but not least, I got Baby Molly and Baby Tabby. Here are the ones that you can get, and I'll be happy with all of these because it would remind me of me and my cats. Okay, this one's like wrapped in styrofoam. I don't know why, but okay. Okay, I don't know. It was just wrapped in styrofoam, I guess, because there is a bag. This bag is really cute. Oh, this is the Molly, and then I think there's a separate bag for the Tabby. That's really cute. And here she is, and she's drinking milk. Very cute. And then, oh, here's little cat. Oh. Anyway, here's the little cat, and it's like this black and white striped one. So cute. I thought it went in here, but I don't know. And yeah, it's really cute. There's a milk jug. Let me get the Molly that just fell. Wait, oh my god, the cat does go in there. Like you can pull apart the milk and then put the cat. And he fits right in there. That is really, really cute. So here it is. And here's the Molly. Guys, I love this one. It's so cute. Okay, guys, here is everything that I got. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.